Welcome to Wadi Ashab here in Oman. Our second day tour, part 2. So guys, don't miss to watch this video until the end. So here we go. Yes, we are on the boat now, crossing the river to the opposite side, and then we will take a walk, and it's a 45-minute walk before we will reach our destination. So watch out guys.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Everyone, Eid Mubarak. Hi.
Yet so far. Wari pa ni aning dagita.
Yeah, we will start our hiking for 45 minutes. Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Kaya ba natin to? So it's nice. Mom, go! Diretso, diretso! Diretso! Wow, so green! Ano? Okay na tayo. Oh, pahuway na. Yala, 45 minutes walking. Paano naman natin makikita yung mga kasama natin? Wala na. Shortest zip line in the world. Only in Oman. Woo! Let's go! Yeah.
Ako nag-judney. So Ma'am Aimee, it's your turn. Zep, go! Yes, nice one.
Woo. Wow! Congratulations! You've done for the shortest zip line in the world. Woo! Only in Oman.
Tara, baktas-baktas na sadtaan eh.
Nice.
Og dili gidi ay 45 minutes. Kay daghan man mi aning hunong. Picture usat ani.
I miss there. just get videos. Nice. Ah, they're going to cave. So it's nice. Hi. You're enjoying. Go, go, go! Swim! Yes! Wow! That's Mom Amy! Enjoy! Enjoy! Woo!
गुगता बाल लिए मोड़ के
It's a nice place. Hi, Noor. Hi. That's nice to see. Oh my God. Very nice. There is one behind you. Nice place here! Woo! It's okay. You're at my back. So, worth it. Worth the 45 minutes walk. It's a very nice place here. Hello! Hello! Hi! Mamay Mi! Tingin-tingin din pag may time. Ayan. Naka-video tayo. Hi, Noor! We're going back to our location. We must reach there at 4 o'clock. So, it's really worth the walk. Ooh, nice! See? Yeah, nice.
So follow for more. Up next, our day 3. Thanks for watching. Please follow and subscribe.